Can anybody really write a self-help book? Well, let's find out. Hey, future bestsellers. Have you ever found yourself flipping through the pages of a self help book thinking, hey, I could write something like this? And maybe you've been wondering, could I? Lisa Daly here. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, I'm a book coach and best-selling award-winning, traditionally an indie published author of 12 books, or is it 15? It's a lot. Welcome. If you want to write a book you're super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell because I've got a bunch of awesome videos to help you do just that, and I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, let's get to it. So, you probably already know that writing a self help book is an excellent way to grow your business, position yourself as like the go to expert in your niche, leave a lasting legacy. But what qualifications do you actually need to write a book? Do you have to be an expert to write a self help book? Hmm? Well, writing a self help book might seem like a daunting task, especially if you've never written one before. But fear not, my future bestsellers. The truth is, anyone can write self help books with the right guidance and mindset. It's all about breaking down the process into manageable steps and tapping into your own unique experiences and insights. One of the first things to understand is that self help books come in many, many shapes and sizes. They can range from self help memoir style narratives to practical guides filled with exercises and tips. The key is to find a format that really works for you and resonates with your audience. Writing a self help book does not have to be as intimidating as it might seem. All right, so let's dispel some common myths about writing a self help book. First, it might seem like a daunting task, but you do not need a PhD or a wall full of publishing accolades to share your wisdom with the world. What truly matters is your authenticity, your passion, and a genuine desire to help others. I mean, you've got that, right? Of course you do. Your unique experiences and insights are actually what makes your voice valuable, not some string of fancy credentials. So, if you've ever doubted whether or not you have what it takes to write a self help book, I want you to just toss those doubts out the window. You've got this. Every person has a wealth of life experiences and insights that can be the foundation for a compelling self help book. So, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Think about your triumphs, the lessons you've learned along the way, the difficulties you've overcome, and think about how many people you've already helped just in your everyday life. That is the foundation that you need in order to be a great self help author. So, can you write a book with no experience at all? Well, yes, this may be your first book, but good news, you have already had experience. Maybe you've overcome adversity, you've found success in your career, you've navigated through personal growth. Those experiences, no matter how big, no matter how small, those experiences can offer valuable wisdom to others. So, whether you're a seasoned professional at whatever it is you do, an aspiring entrepreneur, or somebody who's just really passionate about a particular topic, there's something unique about your perspective that can resonate with readers. So, don't underestimate the power of your own story and expertise because it could be the key to inspiring and helping others on their journey of self discovery. I love that. Before we go, I want to talk for a moment about overcoming self doubt and imposter syndrome. Because let's face it, self doubt and imposter syndrome can creep up on even the most seasoned best selling authors, myself included. And you might find yourself questioning whether or not you're actually qualified to write a self help book or worrying that others are going to see right through you. But here's the truth. Those feelings are totally normal. Writing books can be daunting sometimes, especially when you feel like you're a bit out of your depth. But being out of your depth is how you grow. right? That's how you grow. That's how we all grow, trying new stuff. Almost every writer has battled their inner critic at some point, and the key is not to let those doubts hold you back from sharing your valuable insights with the world. Your wisdom, your knowledge could change somebody's life for the better. So, one way to combat imposter syndrome is by reframing your thoughts. Instead of focusing on the things that you lack, remind yourself of all of the unique qualities and experiences that make you perfect to write this book. And don't be afraid to reach out for support whenever you need it. So, for some of you, that might be talking to a fellow writer, joining a writing course, seeking guidance from a book coach right here on YouTube. Having that support system can make all the difference in the world. So the next time imposter syndrome rears its ugly, ugly head, remember, you've got this. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Have you had a chance to check out this video yet? I think you're going to find it super helpful. And if you're ready to turn your knowledge into a self-help book, be sure to join my Write a Self-Help Book in 30 Days course and get exclusive bonus content available only for a short time. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.